Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Jenny, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a scrunchie that is super easy and cute. Here is the bridal satin fabric, which is what I'll be using, and the length is 5 inches while the width is 30 inches. You can use any fabric of your choice, but this is what I'm working with. Alright, the first thing we're going to be doing is to fold the fabric this way, making sure that the right side is facing each other. Then we go over to the sewing machine and sew it down on a straight line, leaving 1 inch at the beginning and 1 inch at the end. After I was done, I went ahead to flip it over to the right side. When I was done flipping it over to the right side, it was not looking like this. I brought both ends together this way. As you can see, right side facing each other. That's the sense of 1 inch that we left at the beginning and at the end. So we are going to be stitching it together, holding it right side facing each other. We are going to be stitching it by half of an inch. Once you stitch the ends together, what you're going to do next is to push it in. Next, we're going to pass our elastic band through that hole we've created, and I will be working with a 1 inch elastic band. For the length is 7 inches. You can make use of 8 or 9 inches. It all depends on you. Using a pin, I'll be inserting that elastic band through the hole on the bridal satin fabric. I used my machine foot to hold back the other elastic band to prevent it from going back in. Once it came out through the other side, I will be putting the both ends together and stitch it by half of an inch. When I was done stitching it, I let the elastic band go back into the bridal satin, and we are going to be closing this opening here. Here I was done stitching it. As you can see, it looks really cute. Please don't mind my white thread. It's so cute and very simple. It's something you can make within 5-10 minutes for your beautiful ponytail hairstyles, for your wigs. It's really stretchy, and it also helps to keep your hairs away from your face. I hope you give it a try and let me know your outcome in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Also share this video so that YouTube can recommend it to others. See you guys in my next video. Bye.